Hello students, today here we will discuss class 4 English lesson number 4, the hidden treasure, activities number 1, 2 and 3. Let's start our discussion with what's given in activity number 1. Say yes or no. Students, here below you are given 5 statements and you are asked to say whether it is correct or wrong. A. Madhav had 2 sons. Students, notice here the first page of the story. It is given, long ago there was a farmer. His name was Madhav. He had 2 sons, Pankaj and Rajan. So, students, the statement Madhav had 2 sons is true. So we will write here yes. Next statement B. Pankaj and Rajan were lazy. Students, again look at the first page of the story. Here it is written, he had 2 sons, Pankaj and Rajan. They were very lazy and never liked to work. So, B number statement, Pankaj and Rajan were lazy is true. And we will write here, yes. Statement C, Madhav dug up the field. Students, notice here, in the second page of the story, it is given, they dug up the whole field but found no treasure. So students, who are the they here? Look at the previous line. It is written, Pankaj and Rajan went to the field and began to dig the field. They here means Pankaj and Rajan. So the statement Madhav dug up the field is false. And we will write here no. Statement D. There was gold hidden in the field. Students, notice here in the second page of the story it is given, they informed their father that they found no treasure in the field. So, the statement there was gold hidden in the field is false. And we will write here no. Now, the last statement, the ripe and golden paddy was the treasure. Students, look here. In the last page of the story, it is given, when the paddy was ripe and golden, Madhav took Pankaj and Rajan to the field. Look, here's the treasure that I promised you. So, from these lines, we came to know that the treasure that Madhav was talking about was the ripe and golden paddy. The statement, the ripe and golden paddy was the treasure, in this case is true. And we will write here yes. Okay students, read this activity at home. Now, let's see what's given in activity number 2. Let's see how much you have understood the story. Write the answers. Students, notice here we are asked 4 questions to test our understanding of the story. Look here, the answers are incomplete. We are asked to write the answers. A. Why was Madhav worried? Students, notice here the answer is incomplete. It is written, Madhav was worried because. Now, as we have read the story, in the first page of the story it is given, Madhav was worried because his sons didn't help him in the field. So, here we will write, because his sons didn't help him in the field. Okay students? B. Where did Madhav take Pankaj and Rajan one day? Here also the answer is incomplete. It is given, one day Madhav took Pankaj and Rajan to dash. Look here, in the first page of the story, it is given, one day Madhav took his sons to the field. We know that Pankaj and Rajan were sons of Madhav. So we will complete the answer as, one day Madhav took Pankaj and Rajan to the field. See, what did Pankaj and Rajan sow in the field? Here also the answer is incomplete. It is given, Pankaj and Rajan sowed. Students, look here in the second page of the story. When they found no treasure after digging the field, Pankaj and Rajan decided to sow paddy in the field and they informed their father about it. Therefore, the answer will be, Pankaj and Rajan sowed paddy in the field. The last question is, what did Pankaj and Rajan realized at last? Here also the answer is incomplete. It is given, at last Pankaj and Rajan realized blank. Students, look in the last line of the story. It is given, Pankaj and Rajan realized that hard work is always rewarded. So we will complete the answer as, at last Pankaj and Rajan realized that hard work is always rewarded. Okay students, read this activity at home and write it down in your notebook. Now let's see what's given in activity number 3. 3A. Look at the sentences. See how they can be joined together. Students, here we are asked to look at the sentences spoken by Ranjita and Raju and then see how their sentences are joined together by their teacher. Now students, all of you carefully listen to the sentences spoken by Ranjita, Raju and their teacher. Ranjita:
I will go to Nalbari.
Raju:
I will go to Nalbari.
Teacher:
Ranjita and Raju will go to Nalbari.
Students, notice here both Ranjita and Raju have spoken the same sentence and their teacher have joined both of their sentences by using the word and. See here, Ranjita and Raju will go to Nalbari. Okay students, now let's see what's given in activity 3B. Read. Students, here we are asked to read the sentences given below. Look at the picture. There a girl is there and we can see the mother of the girl is unwell. She spoke, I am unwell. Close to her mother's bed, her father was standing and was thinking, I am worried. Looking at her parents, the girl was thinking, father is worried because mother is unwell. Students, notice here the two sentences, I am unwell and I am worried. Both the sentences are joined together in the third sentence by using the word because. See, here it is written, father is worried because mother is unwell. Okay students, till now we have got two words, and because. By using them we have joined two sentences in these two activities. Now let's see what's given in activity 3C. Read. Students, here again we are given few sentences to read. Let's read them first. Raman played well. he didn't win the race. Raman played well, but he didn't win the race. Students, notice here the first two sentences are joined together by using the word but in the third sentence. See, Raman played well, but he didn't win the race. Students, we must remember that we use but to join two ideas or two sentences that are opposite in meaning, like Raman played well, and in the second sentence it is given he didn't win the race. Both are opposite. Okay students, in activity number 3 we came to know that we can use and, because and but to join two sentences. It's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss few more activities related to the joining words, and we will do activity number 4 to 6. Thank you everybody.